Hey everybody, Adam with Front Range Storm Contractors. Just want to show you guys another little thing that we do here. It's called a beauty strip. So, turn the camera around. So, anytime the roof meets the wall, you've got this metal piece of flashing that goes up behind the siding, and then it's supposed to come down onto the roof like this, okay? But when you're replacing a roof, not installing a new roof is super easy. You install the roof, you put the flashing on, then you do the siding. But when you're replacing a roof, you really can't remove and replace this without removing the siding. It goes way up there too high. You just can't do it. So what we have to do is reuse it, which, as you can see, is really pretty ugly. So what we do to fix that is we do what's called a beauty strip. Now, unfortunately, you'll see some roofing companies where what they do is they'll leave the metal there and then just try to flatten it down as best they can with nails, and then they'll paint it. What we prefer to do is what's called a beauty strip. So what you do is you put shingles on top of it. You know, so you've got the shingles underneath that go all the way up, and then the flashing sits on top of that like it's supposed to. But then to kind of seal up where the holes are and, you know, make it so it doesn't leak and make it so it looks better, you put a beauty strip on top, which is just another row of shingles. Now again though, because these are super thick double laminate is what they're called, we actually have to put 2 strips on there. So you take one of the pieces of starter that I showed you before that's double thick like that, and you cut it lengthwise, and then you use the half that is the same color as the shingles, you put that down, and then you take the shingles and you cut it lengthwise right about here, and you put that part on top of the starter. So we've got a row of starter here and a row of shingles here that just covers that old flashing. It's called a beauty strip. That's how we do it, and I think it works much better and it looks much nicer. Have a great one.